Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can join competition for beginner, of course. This is the gym star simulation in Roblox. So here we go. In order to join competition, all you have to do now, you have to prepare, you have to rank up. Currently from this is my new account. This is the novice. You have to upgrade or rank up to the tough guy, the minimum, in order to get more points. But with that rank up, you can also join the competition. So let's start the competition right now. Just hold it in order to join the competition. Here we go. So all you have to do now, just click or tap to score higher. So you have to click until the end. Here we go. Show your back. And I'm using Aura right now. There is a blue water on my body. So all you have to do now, just click more in order to get scores. So this is the end. As you can see, the top three here, they are upgrade their account, upgrade the avatar, and also use their resources in order to get the skin, let's say, and so on. And here the competition rank, and also you got money here, or you can use auto competition to attempt again the competition. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support the next button below. See you in the next video.